What's going on, guys? My name is Michael and this is Stocks for Dads. Today I want you guys to understand why I made this channel called Stocks for Dads, and that's pretty much it. I'm a dad of 3. I have 2 boys and a girl, and my beautiful wife has them out swimming right now, which is a great opportunity for me to make this video for you guys. Otherwise they'd be crazy screaming outside. I'm sure you guys understand. This channel is called Stocks for Dads, but it's not just for dads. It's for anyone willing to listen and willing to learn. However, I can only talk about it from the dad's perspective, so this is why we're calling it Stocks for Dads. But here I'm going to teach you guys about building wealth, about the stock market, about anything that I can think of, anything that you guys want to see. I'm going to teach you guys how to teach your children how to do stocks. I did that for my son, who is now 9 years old. His portfolio is great. He's at some point he's actually done better than me, which is really crazy. He actually started doing stocks when he was 8, and I firmly believe if you use the steps in my book that I wrote, which, by the way, there will be a link in the description below. If you use that book to teach your children about how companies and how stocks works, it's super easy to get the child to understand. I also want to try to help you convince your wife to get into stocks, or help you convince your parents to get into stocks. Been it myself where my wife was completely against stocks. I don't know if any of you guys have Korean wives out there, but if you have Korean wives, 9 times out of 10, they're all about savings accounts and CDs and stuff like that. They are totally not for stocks. But it took some work, and if I can convince my wife, I feel that I can teach you the key points to teach your wife. I'm also an Army veteran, and actually the Army's TSP is the first way that I had exposure to investing back in 2008. So I'm also going to be making videos that are more military related. So I'm going to make videos about the TSP, if that's what they call it now. I just want to help you guys become wealthy, and I want this knowledge to go from me through the camera into you, and then to your family and to your children and to your friends. Everything that I'm giving you is basic and logical, and it's easy to understand. I also have a website, www.stocksfordads.com, where I'm going to be putting all of these videos, the link to my book. It is a free book if you have Kindle. It's called Stocks for Kids. I'm going to be writing a book called Stocks for Dads, and I'm going to be doing all this stuff to just really put this knowledge out there for you guys. I also have an investment blog that I'm going to be starting up on there as well, where I'm going to be putting the stocks that I own. If I buy or sell stocks on there, I'm going to put those as well. And then actually I'm going to get my son in on this, and then if he's cool with it, whenever he buys stocks, get him to write a post as well. I'll get him to try to write it, but maybe I'll do it for him. But either way, we're going to do this blog on there, and you guys can enjoy it with us, and we can all grow together. So welcome to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is going to be a really great ride. I'm very excited. This is a channel that I've been meaning to do for a really long time. It's just not really scared, but just nervous. I actually have a completely other YouTube channel that I do all in Korean that goes over rare Korean coins, and I metal detect here in Korea where I live. So if you guys want to check out rare Korean coins and metal detecting Korea, you can check out the link below, or I'll actually do a little info card for you as well if you want to click that. I'm very excited to start this with you guys. If you want to come on this journey with me, hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications, and I'll see you next time. Peace, dads.